CH2M HILL carries some projects that require Autodesk working together with Intergraph. When that's the case, we'll try to leverage ProjectWise from Bentley as the hub to manage documents and CAD models. We'll utilize Civil 3D as our intelligent civil modeling tool for digital terrain models and civil content. Revit would be our building tool for architectural, structural, building mechanical, and electrical. We could also use the AutoCAD suite of tools for those same disciplines, but we tend to migrate towards Revit. These tools can link to each other, DWG linked into Revit, or the Revit model can export to Civil 3D. AutoCAD is used as the deliverable engine, and both Civil 3D and Revit can feed AutoCAD. We could utilize Revit, the RVT file itself, for the creation of 2D deliverables, but that precludes the ability to have intelligent server-side functions in ProjectWise. From a plant perspective, this method of delivery would include SmartPlant 3D as the plant-based engine. SmartPlant 3D sits on top of a SQL 2008 database. There's a companion piece of software called SmartPlant PNID. It too sits on top of the SQL engine. Now, these tools are linked to each other, but in a completely different platform than that of AutoCAD. The deliverables would be from both SmartPlant and AutoCAD, being the DWG file format and the review tools, whether it's Navisworks, IFC, or View. In order to interoperably share content, we would convert the Revit model through ProjectWise to DWG file format for feeding into SmartPlant 3D. We would also utilize the iModel composition service to feed SmartPlant 3D back into ProjectWise. Once we have an i.dgn file, we can then do a dgn link into Revit or a dgn underlay into Civil 3D, or we can convert the i.dgn file to DWG file format and bring that into Revit or Civil 3D. We would then do a design review using Autodesk's Navisworks for the Autodesk products and SmartPlant review for the SmartPlant products, and utilizing Navisworks, we would also be able to bring in i.dgn files from SmartPlant 3D to have a composite model for design review within the Navisworks engine. We have other plant tools, again, that can come into play here, that being Intergraph's CADWorks Plant, that works on top of AutoCAD. This removes the need to have the Intergraph platform and gives a PNID and piping-based solution to sit on top of the Autodesk suite. That works within ProjectWise, can be referenced directly into Civil 3D, can be linked into Revit, and produce deliverables in AutoCAD.